This is a 2011 Jeep Wrangler. It's a two-door model, 3.8 liter, the 6-speed manual transmission. It's got the hardtop, Goodyear tires on it. This truck does already have the bumper that's built to be able to put a winch on it. It's got 146,000 miles on it. It's in really nice shape. The top comes off, the front sections come off, and the back separately, so it's easy to take off and on. You can take off just the front pieces if you're someplace. It's got steering wheel controls. Stop by 1500 East Main in Bismarck. Look us up on the web at jimstrucks.com. Give us a call, 701-223-1057.